The OBDPEAK T30 Android car dashcam is a sophisticated and feature-rich device designed to enhance your in-car experience while providing comprehensive recording and entertainment capabilities. Android 12.0 system. The dashcam operates on the Android 12.0 system, providing a modern and user-friendly interface. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support. The OBDPEAK T30 supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone. This feature enables hands-free calling, messaging, navigation, and access to compatible apps directly from the dashcam. Mirror Link. Support AirPlay Android Wireless Mirror. The Mirror Link feature supports AirPlay and Android Wireless Mirror, enabling you to mirror your smartphone's display onto the 10.26-inch touchscreen. This enhances accessibility and allows for a more intuitive interaction with your mobile device. O output, FM transmission, and Bluetooth connectivity. The dashcam provides versatile audio output options, including O output, FM transmission, and Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to connect and stream audio from various sources, enhancing your in-car entertainment. GPS navigation and online audio-video playback. The T30 includes GPS navigation functionality, ensuring accurate and reliable navigation assistance. Additionally, you can enjoy online audio and video playback, providing a diverse range of entertainment options on the go. 2 GB RAM plus 32 GB ROM. With 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, the dashcam offers smooth multitasking capabilities and ample space for storing recorded footage, apps, and other data. 10.26 2.5D IPS touchscreen. The large 10.26 2.5D IPS touchscreen provides a clear and responsive interface, making it easy to navigate through settings, applications, and recorded footage. 1080p external camera version. The dashcam supports an external 1080p camera for capturing a wider field of view. Note: external camera version needs to be purchased separately. Easy to install. The T30 is designed for easy installation, ensuring a hassle-free setup process for users.